A point traveled half the distance with a velocity v0. The remaining part of the distance was covered with velocity v1 for half the time and with velocity v2 for the other half of the time. Find the mean velocity of the point averaged over the whole time of motion. So it is given in the question that a particle is covering a distance. Suppose this distance is L. A is the initial point of motion of the particle and B is the final point where particle finally reached. In the question it is given that half of the distance. Let us suppose C is the midpoint. So it is in the question it is given that suppose total distance is L. So half of the distance means L by 2. In the question it is given that half of the distance is covering with a speed of v0. First half. And let us suppose to cover the distance 80, time taken by the particle is t1. And the remaining part BC, that is the distance is L by 2. Let us suppose time taken to cover the CB distance is t2. But the particle is, while going from C to B, he is going with two different speeds. So let us suppose that the particle is covering the distance CD with a speed v1 and dB with a speed v2. And in the question it is given that he is covering the distance CD with a time of t2 by 2, and the time taken to cover the distance dB is t2 by 2. Now in this question we have to find the average velocity of particle. So if we'll talk about the distance AC, then we can say that distance equal to, that is AC equal to speed into time, v0 into t1. So from here what is AC? AC is L by 2 equal to v0 into t1. So from here we will get t1 equal to L by 2 v0. Now we will see the distance CB, and CB equal to what, guys? CB equal to CD plus DB. And what is CB? Total length of CB is L by 2. And what is DC? DC equal to speed into time. So V1 into T2 by 2 plus DB. What is DB? Speed into time. So V2 into T2 by 2. So from here we will calculate T2. So take T2 common, and T2 take T2 by 2 common, so it will become V1 plus V2. Now 2 get cancelled out, so from here T2 we will get L by V1 plus V2. So average velocity equal to displacement of the particle by the time taken, total time taken. So what is the displacement of particle? Displacement of the particle is AB. And what is the time taken by the particle? T1 plus T2. Now simply substitute here. So what is AB? AB is total L. And what is T1? Substitute from here. L by 2 V0 plus L by V1 plus V2. Now simply L cancel out. So it will become 1 by 1 2 V0 plus 1 by V1 plus V2. Now simply simplify this. So final simplification will become 2 V0 V1 plus V2 by V1 plus V2 plus 2 V0. So this is the final answer of the question.